Hello and welcome to It's Tomorrow News. I'm Chavi Sompura. More than 400 people are suspected to have died from extreme heat in Arizona County. More than 400 people are suspected to have died from extreme heat in Maricopa County, Arizona so far this summer, according to the official figures, as the brutal current heat wave enters its 12th day. August is on track to be the hottest on record, with temperatures hitting at least 110 degrees Fahrenheit every day, apart from one so far. As of 11th August, at least 3 daily records had been broken, including an all-time monthly high of 118 degrees Fahrenheit, as well as several nighttime record temperatures, according to meteorologists at the National Weather Service in Phoenix. The current extreme heat warning issued by the NWS is the fourth and longest of the summer thus so far, and will extend at least through Wednesday night, with temperature forecast to reach 110 degrees Fahrenheit. Increased cloud cover and possible thunderstorms will then bring a brief respite towards the weekend, but another very hot spell is forecast by the start of next week. Maricopa County is home to Phoenix, the fifth largest and hottest major US city, as well as several smaller urban hubs dotted amid the Sonoma Desert, including Scottsdale, Tempe, and Mesa. Midway through the hot season, the current official death count, including suspected and confirmed heat-related fatalities, is about 30% lower this time last year, the second deadliest on record. Another 369 suspected heat-related deaths remain under investigation, according to the county's heat surveillance dashboard, which is updated weekly. June and July were a little cooler than recent years, despite topping 115 degrees Fahrenheit on multiple days, which at least partially explains the lower death toll. Improved access and extended hours at city cooling centers may also be playing a role, according to the county's chief medical officer. First responders and hospitals have reportedly gotten better at treating heat stroke and other temperature-related emergencies. Yet, despite the encouraging numbers, Maricopa County is still on track to be the deadliest place for heat in the US after New York City, the country's largest metropolis, where heat contributes to 525 deaths on average each year. Heat-related deaths have soared in Maricopa County over the past decade, with 645 in 2023 compared to 61 in 2014. That's all for now. For more weather news updates, stay tuned with us on It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.